Okay, you guys, we're all in the car. Are you excited?
What's up, yo?
So, okay, we're in the car right now, about to possibly sign the lease for our first ever house. Our first ever home. I'm really excited, but we'll see how it goes. I'll probably come back on here.
In my room, I'm gonna be playing with
But yeah, you guys, I'll probably check back once this whole meeting is over to update you guys. But we're super excited. We're taking a chance 2021. So
yeah, 2021.
What do you think to say, babe? Why you got your mask on in the car? You excited?
Yeah, I'm very, very excited, and yeah.
All right, see you guys later.
Bye.
Okay, you guys, today's the next morning, and what's the news?
We're pregnant.
We got the house. Babe, are you excited?
Very excited.
You guys, we got that. I was so excited yesterday. We didn't even get a chance to update you when we left the place, but now it's the next morning. The baby just got out of school, and I had to wait till my baby got home
And we're
to let you guys
a
know.
playground.
The baby said she wants a playground in the backyard.
Okay.
We gotta see, you guys. A little dollhouse or a little house for you? No, she wants a house that she could go in. You know those little kitty houses? We'll see, you guys. But yeah, I just want to come and update you. So you guys, the next video would be us doing like an empty house tour before we like move stuff in there and everything. So we're super excited.
Are you excited, Dad?
You excited? Huh? You excited? He said yes. Yeah, you guys. All right, guys. Thank you. We'll see you guys later.
Bye.
We officially got the keys to the new house. I'm so excited. There, the keys are right here. And we're gonna actually head over. Our move-in date is January 15th, which is coming up. I'm super, super excited. So I'll come back and keep you guys updated. Okay, here's the house. We're here. So here's from the front door. The front window. The stairs. Here's the first restroom. Here's the closet. Here's the living room. You guys can see the fireplace. And this is the fireplace on. How cool is that? There's just a switch right there. You just turn on the switch and the fire starts. Then here's Isaiah. You come to the kitchen, there's like a little island. The garage is in there. They left the table for us. Hold on, 2-car garage. And it is electric, so it has a little genie. So I'm gonna do that. Let me make sure it's locked. There's the kitchen right here. Come on, Pop. You guys, and here is the backyard. It's like a little bit more on the other side, but I'm not gonna go outside right now. There you go. Oops. Up the stairs. And then here's like a little area for cabins. Here is the first room right here. Closet. And then go down the hall. The second bathroom right here. This will be the kids' bathroom. Then here's one of the bedrooms right here. This would probably be the kids' room. Here's the second, or the third bedroom right here. This might be like my beauty room, honestly, for now. The master bedroom right here. Master. Shower, tub. And like the toilet separate. And then we finally get our walk-in closet. First time ever having a walk-in closet, so Okie dokie. You guys, this is our new house. I hope you guys enjoyed this house tour. I'm just super excited, super blessed for 2021, and yeah, I'm excited. Babe, any last words to say?
It's beautiful. I can't wait to go in the
Isaiah's right here.
It's very good for me, and I'll order hamburger.
All right, and I'll see you guys